Tendered vote. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as a guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain tendered vote, familiarize with the format related with tendered vote. They will also be able to cite the procedure of casting of tendered vote. Tendered vote. If a person presents himself at the polling station and seeks to vote, and presiding officer finds that another person has already voted as such elector, in such a case, that voter will be given tendered vote. If presiding officer is satisfied about the identity of the elector by asking such questions relating to his identity and presenting the documents proving his identity, then presiding officer shall allow the elector concerned to vote by means of a tendered ballot paper, but not through the EVM machine. Presiding officer will be provided 20 additional ballot papers for tendered votes. Tendered ballot paper shall be stamped with the words "tendered ballot paper" on the back of the ballot paper. A correct account of all ballot papers received for use as tendered ballot papers or issued as such to electors and not used or written in item 8 of part 1 of form 17C. Presiding officer shall maintain a record of the electors who have been issued tendered ballot papers in form 17B. The signature or thumb impression of the elector in column 5 will be obtained. Along with the ballot paper, elector shall also be given inked arrow cross mark rubber stamp. In the voting compartment, elector will mark his vote on the ballot paper by putting the cross mark on or near the symbol of the contesting candidate of his or her choice. The elector will then fold the tendered ballot paper and hand it over to the presiding officer. Presiding officer shall keep all the tendered ballot papers and the list of such tendered ballot paper prepared in form 17B in a cover especially provided for the purpose and seal the cover at the close of the poll. The form 17B, which has been filled as a sample, is shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about tendered vote. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulation, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.